So here's MyHumana app, where you can conveniently manage your Humana plan wherever you go with the MyHumana app. Simply sign into your MyHumana account and your Humana plan will be in the palm of your hand. Review coverage details, check claims, your Humana member ID card, find your network providers, and that's what it is. There is this app for Google Play Store and App Store. So you can tap on App Store and install it here. So just tap on it and just double click to install it. And easy access to claims, drug pricing, ID cards, network providers, and more. Very important information you need about your plan details, including deductibles and balances. Also, view information for dependents and other delegated members covered under your plan. ID cards, drug pricing, pay my bill, claims, provider finder profile. So yeah, all these things you can just find it here, and you can just open it up, and yeah, then you can just tap register. Yeah, and then you're just being redirected to accounthumana.com, and then from here you start creating your account.